What does cowpox, chickenpox, and rabies all have in common? If you said they all came from domesticated animals, you'd be right. Usually, we are protected from the diseases of other animals because the viruses tend to evolve to be specialized for the animal it infects, and as such, the virus would first need to mutate into a form which is compatible with our bodies. So say a virus is in a wild animal, and one of those trillions of DNA packets mutates to make us susceptible. The chances are low that it would find its way to one of us due to the humans generally not being in contact with wild animals, or protected by distance and our homes. Who can even say how many calamitous epidemics were dodged simply because there was no one around for the disease to infect? However, in domesticated animals, due to the proximity of humans, the odds of one of these mutated viruses finding its way to a human host is much, much greater. Whether that's through eating said animal, as is the case with chickens or cows, or sharing a home with it, as is the case with any pet. You don't have to start quarantining Lassie though, because these cases are still rare, which is why there's alarm bells that ring when an animal disease does make the leap between species. Recently, you might have heard of Mpox or H1N1, but one which has quite literally been flying under the radar is H5N1, a bird flu which has made the leap between chickens and cows, and humans. As of this writing, the only state which has implemented mandatory testing for it is Colorado, and despite the USDA requiring reporting of H5N1 cases in cattle, many farmers simply don't test the milk, thereby dodging the reporting requirement. While pasteurization of milk prevents the spread to humans, without testing, there could be a massive cow epidemic happening right under the dairy industry nose. And the more copies of a virus that exist, the more opportunities it has to mutate. Or should I say, mootate.